21st of August, a new open source AI imaging model which destroys ChatGPT's image 2.0. It creates the most unbelievable images. I don't think there's anything it cannot do. When you look at this image, for example, you can see the wavy page and the text staying consistent on this wavy page. But that's not the real power of this model. When you look at this image, usually images like this are made up of a stitch of many images generated by the model, but this image was generated in one single pass. One single prompt generated this image. Why is this image so special? Because if you zoom in, you'll see that it's actually made up of multiple languages and multiple styles of imagery. For example, right at the top of the image, you can see a little conversation about traffic in Chinese. Under that, you can see a problem solution explanation in English of a rotating cylinder. Right under that, you can see on the 72 over here is in Chinese an explanation on a board. When you go right a little bit, you'll see a mathematical equation explained in Chinese. After that, you can see an English comic, the question, step 1, step 2, and the answer. And under that, you can see another comic. The idea of this image is that it shows that this model has literally endless power and can literally just create an endless number of different things in one image, and the complexity just doesn't affect it in any way. And that's what I'm about to show you, because this model is so powerful that it can literally do picture in picture in picture. So you've probably thought of that idea where you have, let's say, an image. For example, this image over here has a VS Code image, and inside it is a tab that's selected, and inside that is a picture, as if a picture of a mobile phone having a conversation about a shop, and then you can see a person asking about it, and then you can see a response, and all of this was generated with one single prompt. These examples are basically illustrating the meaning of rich content. You're not bound by anything with this AI model. It's so perfect and powerful that you can literally create the most complicated image you could ever think of in one single pass. So as you can see, the model can render a full page of text where there's literally diagrams and formulas, mathematical equations, algebraic geometry, including multiple lines of complex geometry. It can basically do anything. Let's just say it this way. This is like Fable 20, just the imaging version, just to say it in a way that everyone can really grasp and understand. And you can see the details are just incredible. If you want to be the first to know about these kind of models, which you should be using, and if you already have an app that generates images, I recommend you replace whatever it is you're using, whether it's Nano Banana Pro, whether it's Google Image 2.0, replace it with this model. This is going to smash it, and it's probably going to be cheaper as well. See you in the next video, and bye for now.